Namaste, everybody. I welcome each one of you to the Ask Classroom. In today's session, let's see the profit and loss appropriation account theory. Come, let's get gear up with the class. Distribution of profit among partners. So, in order to do the numerical problems of profit and loss appropriation account, we need to understand on 10 points. So that is what we are going to discuss in this session. Profit and loss appropriation account. Okay. The first point that I have for you is partnership firm is like a sole proprietorship concern or any other proprietorship concern. It will be preparing trading profit and loss account. So like a proprietorship concern, partnership firm, P.F means partnership firm. I have just written short. So partnership firm also will be preparing trading and profit and loss account. In grade 11, we have studied about the trading profit and loss account, final accounts, right? Same way, partnership firm also will be preparing this. Along with this, the partnership firm will be preparing profit and loss appropriation account. Why the partnership firm has to prepare the profit and loss appropriation account? In order to appropriate the profit or loss of the firm among the partners. So if we are not doing this profit and loss appropriation account, we cannot distribute the profit among the partners, even loss also. So that is the reason why this profit and loss appropriation account is an extension of trading and profit and loss account, which means the profit and loss appropriation account is the continuation of the trading and profit and loss account. So the profit and loss appropriation account is an extension of trading and profit and loss account. So in the partnership firm, trading and profit and loss account will be prepared. We will be finding out the net profit or net loss in this account, and then profit and loss appropriation account will be prepared. So this is how the things will take place in the partnership firm. Moving on to the next point. In the partnership firm, the firm has earned net profit or loss. It will be transferred to appropriation account. I have just written A.A, appropriation account. So whether the firm is earning profit or loss, whatever it is, the particular profit or loss will be transferred to appropriation account. Why it should be transferred to appropriation account? In order to distribute the profits among the partners, and some appropriations should be done. And if the firm has earned net profit, means the net profit will be credited in the profit and loss appropriation account. If it is loss, means it will be debited in the appropriation account. So just I am drawing here debtor, creditor. Okay. So this is debit side and this is credit side, right? So if the firm has, this is appropriation account. If the firm has earned profit, what I have to do? I have to write the net profit in the credit side. If the firm has earned loss, means it's not earning, loss only. So net loss will be written in the debit side of the appropriation account. That's all. Hope you are clear with this point. Moving on to the next point. Interest on drawings. Interest on drawings is income or loss for the firm? It is an income for the firm, but it is loss for the partner. Why it is loss for the partner? Because the partner will be paying interest on drawings to the firm for the amount what he has withdrawn for his personal use. We know already drawings means the proprietor would have withdrawn the amount from the business for his personal use. It will be considered as drawings. For that amount, if the partner is paying interest, it is an income for the firm, but it is a loss for the proprietor or partner, whoever it is. So when it is an income for the firm, it will be written in the credit side of the appropriation account. So interest on drawings also will be written in the credit side. Okay, so for the partner it is a loss. For the firm it is a profit. That is interest on drawings. Okay, moving on to the next point. Interest on capitals of the partners, partners' salaries and commissions, etc. debited. So debit side, these elements will be written. Interest on, you will be having the specimen or format of this appropriation account. Simply I am just writing here. Okay, so interest on capital, salaries, commission, everything will be written in the debit side of the appropriation account, and the balance will be done like this. So the difference amount, if it is profit, it will be distributed among the partners. So when we are doing numerical problems, you will be understanding. So this is how the appropriation will be done. Okay, why all these interest on capitals and salaries, commission should be debited? Because this appropriation is a profit for the partners, but it is loss for the firm, because the firm is distributing to the partners, right? Salaries, commission, everything. It's an expenses for the firm. That is the reason why we are writing in the debit side. Like interest on drawings is income for the firm, so we are writing in the credit side. Are you clear with this? Okay, so that is the reason why we are writing all these elements, salaries, commission, interest on capital in the debit side of the appropriation account. Moving on to the next point. Partners decide an amount is transferred to reserve. Sometimes if the partners deciding to transfer the amount to reserve means, what will happen? The amount will be transferred and the balance profit, divisible profit, is distributed among the partners in their profit sharing ratio. Profit sharing ratio, if it is 3:2:1 means, as per the profit sharing ratio, the amount will be distributed among the partners if it is divisible means. Okay, and next point is, profit is appropriated up to the amount available for distribution, that is divisible profit. It's a simple logic, right? If the firm has earned more profit only, it can distribute to the partners. If it is not having enough profit, how the firm will be distributing to the partners? It is not possible, right? So divisible profit means nothing but, it is also called as distributable profit. Divisible means distributable. So the firm, if it is able to pay the profit to the partners means, it can do the appropriation. So profit is appropriated up to the amount available. How much amount the firm is having, like cash balance or bank balance, whatever it is. So depending upon that only the distribution will be done, that is divisible profit will be done. And moving on to the next point, after appropriation, net loss. Suppose the firm has earned net loss after preparing the trading and profit and loss account. So which side of the appropriation account it will be written? Debit side net loss will be written. And the firm has received interest on drawings means it will be written in the credit side. So loss will be there and drawings will be written in the credit side, and other things are all written. After writing the drawings, that is interest on drawings, income also, if the appropriation account is loss means, appropriation will not be made among the partners. Instead, loss will be distributed among the partners as per the profit sharing ratio. So after appropriation, net loss in the appropriation, net loss plus interest on drawings also added. Even though if it is loss means, appropriation will not be done. The loss will be distributed among the partners. That's all. Okay. And the last point that I have for you is, after appropriation, net profit. So the firm has earned the net profit means appropriation will be done. How it will be done? up to the amount of profit. So how much amount of profit the firm has earned after doing all the appropriation, like paying capital, salary, commission, everything done, income of the firm, interest on drawings, everything has been done, and how much profit the firm has got, with that distribution will be done. That is what divisible profit, that is distributable profit. With the available amount, it will be done in the firm. Okay, having understood about the profit and loss appropriation account, we will end up the session today. I'll meet you in the next session with a numerical problem of the appropriation account. And till then, it's bye from Udaya.